Good morning. We're back with more probability. Today we're looking at dice and a deck of cards. So everyone knows that on a standard dice, I think you all know, on a standard dice, there are numbers 1 through 6, right? So you can get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 when you roll a dice. So our problem is a standard 6-sided die is a cube with 6 sides. Each side has a number of dots on it ranging from 1 to 6. When you roll more than one die, you add up the dots you get for your total. We need you to list all the possible combinations of rolling a pair of standard 6-sided die. Hint, rolling 1, 2 is different than rolling 2, 1. How many combinations are there? So, I just realized the copy is a little messed up. It says total, whatever. All right, so if one dice rolls a 1, let's say the other dice also rolls a 1, we would have a total of 2. Let's say the first die for all 6 rolls a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's zoom in here a little bit to make this easier to see. So then you would have, the next one would be a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. The total is what they add up to. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7. You're going to do this for all. If I have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, assume these are all the different possibilities. 3, 3, 3, 3. All right. And I'm going to keep going. Then this is going to be 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is giving me, this is the easiest way to find all the combinations. 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 6, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to add up all these. You're going to do this. I'm not going to do this with you. This is going to be your work for today. Well, part of it. So you are going to add them all up. Then you're going to answer these questions. How many total outcomes are there? Well, I can tell you because this is the whole list. We have 9, 9, 9, and 9. 9 times 4. 36. Good. How many different totals are there? So that you're going to have to wait to see. So far I have 1, 2. But look, this is also going to be a 3. This is also going to be a 4. So how many totals, different totals are there? So far, we have a 2, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. 3, I missed 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What other numbers are going to be there, and how many totals is that? How many times can you roll doubles? What's doubles mean? You get the same number twice. So 1, 1, 2, 2. Go through all of them and tell me. How many ways, number 4, how many ways can you roll an even number? All right, well, let's review what even is. 2, 4, 6, 8. How about how many ways can you roll an odd number? What is or are the most likely totals? And what is or are the least likely totals? Okay, you're going to fill all that in by yourself. That's page 1. Now let's look at all right, let's take a look at page 2. So page 2 is a deck of cards, right? deck of cards. We know, we talked about this last week, I think, unless it was a different class I was talking to about. All right. A standard deck of cards has 52 cards. I remember talking to someone about that because I said, did you ever play 52 pickup? This is a normal deck of cards, everyday playing cards. We're not including the jokers. And if you're familiar with a deck of cards, we have an ace, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. Of a spade, a club, a heart, and a diamond. All right? So you are going to answer these questions based off of the deck of cards. How many suits are there? That's the symbol of the cards. So I already said diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades. How many cards is that? What are the names of the suits? Oh, I just told you that. You can write those down. How many cards are in each suit? You can count them, or there are 52 cards in a deck, and you divide by 4, you get, write it down. How many face cards are there? A face card is these. These are the face cards. It has a face on it. So jack, kings, and queens are face cards. How many total face cards are there? How many number cards are in each suit? Be careful, ace is not a number, and neither are these, so it's only, these are the only number cards. How many total aces? How many total cards of each color? Red. How many red? How many black? How many ways can you get blackjack? This is like a kind of a bonus challenge question. We're going to talk about that more because of the different probability that we do. But it's very important that you know different things when we're talking about probability. A deck of cards is something some people assume that you know, but I don't know if you all know them. Same with rolling dice. Same with even like the letters in the alphabet. I know, which we did last week. I know that you're all in high school, but sometimes we forget that there's 26 letters in the alphabet. Or what are the vowels? Does anyone know vowels? A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y. They're all different everyday things. License plates, phone numbers, money, things that you should know that are needed to do probability problems. So some are very obvious and sometimes they're not. I don't think cards and dice are all that obvious when you're talking about 36 different possibilities on the front, 13 in each suite. It's stuff that you can figure out if you know other pieces. But it's important for you to know all of this information. This is all you have to do today is fill out these 2 sheets. Tomorrow for our live class, we will discuss more about probability and ask you some questions about cards and dice and what's the chances of finding different things with cards and dice. If you have any questions, you can email us and we will get back to you as soon as possible and we can set up a Google Meet. If not, we will see you for the live session tomorrow. Have a great day.